It's not shooting.
You can go climb Wallace.
Okay.
It refuses to shoot if it's not aligned.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on the track. I'm on the track.
Oh, I'll get you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You should have kept the motor too.
One hundo.
We got ice on a transition, okay.
Together?
In auto. We got hit. Yeah, we got his transition in auto. We got his like.
I'm gonna lose.
Fuel catching.
I didn't catch any.
I don't know. I didn't see anything.
Guys,
I got slipped to 100.
It's sim counted though. It's sim counted.
Didn't count as foul, by the way.
Yeah. Wait.
You're a sim counted foul.
So are pin fouls, bro.
Oh, lag.
Oops.
He put his
What the hell just happened?
temporarily disabled while Bruce is busy.
Having
She's busy, low, bro.
Stop getting busy, bro.
Hey guys, have you considered not lagging?
Pretty hard, yay.
Same.
No, I don't think it is.
Pretty hard, yay.
Oh. Wait, aren't you supposed to be awoken now?
No.
No, I swear you're awoken today, but like you said you were awoken today, right?
No, I mean, yeah.
Why didn't the climb go? No, this climb is...
Sing.
And I still
Really?
won auto.
I think we need hate Mosin.
You did not win on it.
I don't think we hate Mosin for the reason that the climb isn't working.
Oh my!
Thank you, Ben.
So like tilapia, catfish, like it's like what type of fish is it, Ben? Feedback.
Wow.
How long did we stay up last night?
Because I'm
I
alive.
I
So
went
I
to
can
bed at
score.
2:30, so where did you guys go?
I left as soon as you left the VC.
Actually,
Yeah.
Yeah.
ain't no way this
Yo!
man followed me, bro.
Yo!
Brother, you thought I was actually gonna stay that late? I don't know how to work.
I think the VC went till like 5. I think I saw.
Yeah, because I saw, I think
Final.
he had
So,
published the score and it was like 4 a.m. I was like, what the hell? They stayed up that late?
I'm not
Just go the
I'm not
other
surprised
way.
probably if I did that, but I'll set you back.